I'm Josh with Skid Pro. Beautiful Minnesota afternoon. We're here to talk about the V-Blade. V-Blades are super common on trucks. The same concept goes right to the skid loader. More positions, more utility, more performance. Where do we start when we're looking at any attachments? Weight, steel, strength. This is commercial rated durability and quality. Make no mistake about it. We didn't scrimp on the steel. 50 to 80,000 plate depending on the components. Thick moldboard, heavily reinforced on the backside. Heck, the weight says it all. Our 48-inch runs about 1,060 pounds all the way up to almost 1,400 pounds on our bigger blades. Some of the reasons guys like a V-blade over a traditional snow blade: you can run it in the V position when you're cutting a new path. You can fold it forward and have it in the Y or scoop position, or you can run it as an angle blade left or an angle blade right. So it does offer some added versatility. One of the things I love best about this, there's a lot of V-blades on the market. This one is as heavy as any, if not the heaviest, and it doesn't use electric over hydraulic controls. Sometimes you can't get away from that, but the more you can rely on simple hydraulics, they're more fail-safe, they're more robust. This blade is able to cycle through all the different positions with no electric over hydraulic. So we don't have to hook up the pin on the cat. We don't have to have another additional controller in the cab. It just runs from the hydraulics on your machine. You simply rotate through the different positions. Moldboard height, 31 inches. Tall enough to handle the biggest snows, but low enough to give you good operator visibility in the cab. Cutting edge, 5/8 inches thick, so it's thicker than most, and it's 8 inches tall. That edge is reversible. You can see in the middle of the blade we do have two end pieces. Those are not reversible, but it comes with a spare set already bolted onto the attached plate right behind the blade. So you get reversible life out of every cutting edge on this snow blade. Not only do we have the oversized cutting edge, but it's actually a trip edge for safety. So the whole blade doesn't flip, just this trip edge itself. That's safer and it's quicker reacting. Another key on this snow blade is the floating plate. You have oscillation left to right of about 4 degrees, and then you actually have float in the plate front to back of about 5 degrees. What that means is as you have that snow blade on the ground and the topography changes slightly, that blade is going to follow the contour of the ground automatically without any adjustment in the cab. Here you can see the back side of the blade in the full Y or scoop position. Here's the trip edge springs. We got 2 on each side. We run the industrial cylinders, 1¼ rod, 2.5-inch ram. They're also a cushion cylinder, so that if you do hit something, we have the trip edge for safety, but the cylinders are also cushioned to help prevent any issues. Safety for the operator, safety for the attachment. Not only do we have the industrial cylinders on this blade, every single pivot point is greasable, both on the cylinder, on the attached plate, and to where it secures on the moldboard. The floating plate, the center pivot, everything is greasable. Longevity and durability. The V-blade also has 5-inch diameter adjustable skid shoes. Those are a cast iron skid shoe, very heavy duty, good flotation. For more information on the V-blade or any of our other Skid Pro products, visit www.skidpro.com or call a product guru today at 877-378-4642.